The Escalade will no longer be the pinnacle of Cadillac's lineup. The role of the flagship is moving to an even more prestigious and status passenger model. This is an electric car Cadillac Celestiq, and before us is no longer a concept, but a serial version. At General Motors, they create an aura of exclusivity around the car in advance. Each Celestiq will be made to order with extensive use of manual labor and individual work with the client. Like, two identical copies cannot be found. So, the Cadillac Celestiq is a liftback well over 5 meters long. The exact overall dimensions have not yet been published. The luggage compartment is combined with the passenger compartment, and access to it is through a lifting rear window. Do not look for disguised door handles on the body, they are not. All doors have a frameless design and are equipped with an electric drive. Just press an inconspicuous button on the roof rack. A retractable spoiler is installed at the stern, and all exterior decor is made of metal. Even the imitation of the radiator grille in the front plug is not a drawing or plastic, but real aluminum slats. The power frame of the body consists of 6 aluminum modules, which are cast as a whole and then connected to each other. Celestiq has standard 23-inch wheels and matrix headlights with a system of movable micro mirrors. Each headlight has 1.3 million pixels. The standard panoramic roof is divided into 4 sections, its own for each rider, the degree of darkening of which can be changed individually in the range from 1% to 20%. In the cabin there are 4 separate seats with individual adjustments, heating and ventilation, and the Mercedes-style electric control panels are located on the doors. Even the armrests are heated, and all 4 backs are equipped with a warm scarf, that is, a supply of warm air to the riders' necks. A 55-inch screen stretched across the entire width of the front panel, although in reality these are 2 screens under a single glass, and the right one can be made visible only to passengers so that the driver is not distracted, for example, when watching a movie. For climate control, there is a separate 11-inch screen on the center console. The rear riders have 3 more of their displays, 2 individual 12.6-inch displays and a central 8-inch one for managing service functions. Cadillac hasn't succumbed to the craze for recycled interior materials yet. The Celestiq sports natural leather, the color of which can be chosen at the time of ordering. And to simplify individualization, 3D printing technology for interior parts is widely used. 115 elements are made in this way, including, for example, power window buttons or door handles. The backlight consists of more than 450 LEDs. The AKG audio system includes 38 speakers. As for technology, the Cadillac Celestiq is built on the most expensive and advanced version of the Ultium platform. The electric car has a standard air suspension, 5-link rear scheme, with magnetic ride control 4.0 adaptive shock absorbers and active stabilizers. They run on a 48-volt power supply. Standard equipment includes a fully steerable chassis. The rear wheels can turn up to 3.5 degrees. At low speeds, they deviate out of phase with the front ones, improving maneuverability, and at high speeds, the front and rear wheels turn in the same direction, increasing stability. Celestiq has a twin-engine all-wheel drive. The total output is approximately 600 horsepower and 870 Newton-meters. The capacity of the traction battery is 111 kilowatt-hours, and the battery cells are located horizontally to reduce the thickness of the body, since the size of the wheelbase allows you to increase the length of the battery. The estimated range on a single charge is 300 miles, 483 kilometers, but the exact parameter will be published later. The DC charger supports up to 200 kilowatts. From standstill to 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per hour, a large electric car can accelerate in 3.8 seconds. But for the owners of such a car, the new generation Ultra Cruise Autopilot, the development of which has not yet been completed, should become more relevant. The Celestiq will have all the necessary hardware on board from the start, including LiDAR, but the activation of the Super Cruise will come after a software update due in 2024. The Cadillac Celestiq itself will hit the market in December 2023. For Cadillac Celestiq liftbacks, manual production will be widely used, so no more than 6 cars can be in operation at the same time. The price is appropriate, not less than $300,000. And this parameter brings the Celestiq into the same market segment with Rolls-Royce. Even the younger Ghost in the US costs from $332,000. For example, for a hybrid Bentley Flying Spur they are asking for $208,000, and an electric Mercedes-Benz EQS in the States costs half the price of a new Cadillac, from $149,000.